Hello beginners, today I'm going to tell you 4 different style of eyeliners, and for that I'm going to use 3 kind of liners. So this is a gel pencil, it's a buttery texture pencil. This is a pen liner which is very preferable for precision working, and my favorite all the time is liquid liner. So these 3 things I'm going to use and create different kind of eyeliner look. So first style is the simple wing liner, and for that I'm going to use a liquid liner. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to create from the very edge of my eye toward my brow, and I will select a point and then I will create an inner wing. So let's move. So here I'm creating a outer wing with the liquid liner. I am moving toward the brow line, and after that I will select an inner point. Here I select an inner point and I will join these thing. And this is a very simple way to create a wing liner, especially for the beginners. And then I will go over my eyelid and make it thinner toward the inner edge. And for the inner edge, I'm using a pen liner because pen liner is very good for the precision work. And now I will tell you how I make the inner edge. So I'm going from the upper waterline toward outward stroke. So you can see I'm creating this from the waterline to outward, and that's how it can create really easily with a pen liner. And here it is. So this is the final liner look. And if you want to give a little more work, you can apply glitter and mascara. And that's the final look of my first wing liner. So next style is submerged gel pencil liner look. For that, I'm going to use Maybelline Gel Pencil. And I'm also going to use a precision submerged brush. I'm using e.l.f.'s precision submerged brush for the blending purpose. So you can see this e.l.f. brush. So what I did, I just apply a tape toward my brow line. And for those who have a hard time for applying the outer wing, this is the ideal thing for them. So I'm using a gel pencil, and you can go rough, that's fine, because we have to blend it and it's a blended liner. So now I'm blending it with the brush. And if you want to give more look, you can use a black color and you can blend it with this black shade. And now I'm again using a pen liner and I'm going to join this. It's a very simple look, you can see, and it can create it very easily, especially for the beginners. And then I am going to apply glitter. I love to apply glitters. If you want, you can apply glitter, and that's it. This is your submerged look, or you can say a gel line. So next look is this liner, which goes from the bottom of my eyelid. And for that purpose, first I'm going to use the pen liner. It's Rimmel Pen Liner. And then I will create from the bottom of my waterline toward the upper waterline. So you can see I will select some points. I will select a point on the top and on the bottom of my waterline and upper waterline. So these are the 3 points I'm going to combine, and I will create the look. And for finished look, I will use a liquid liner here. So the liquid liner will help me to give me a very finished look. So I'm using NYX Liquid Liner and I'm giving it a finish look, and that's it. That's the final look. It looks so pretty. Do try that one. And last was one my favorite. This is a straight liner look, and this look give your eye a very elongated and huge look. So do try that. I will use a liquid liner, a NYX liquid liner for this look. And the way I created, I just go and create a very straight line. So from my eyelid toward my outer edge, I'm going to create a straight line. So you can see I'm just creating a straight line. And when I create the straight line, I will join it with my lower waterline, and now I'm going to fill it up. If you want, you can leave it here. It's also a style. It's a half liner style if you want. But I'm going to give it an elongated look, so I'm going to create an inner edge as well. So for the inner edge, I'm going to use the pen liner, and the same technique I'm going to use from the upper waterline. I'm going to give the outward stroke. So it's a very easy way to create a inner edge. An inner edge will give your eye a very elongated and huge look. I'm just going to join these slowly, and that's how I create this elongated liner look. And this is the final result, and if you like it, just do subscribe to my channel and keep watching my videos.